yeah, you can see it? You can see this one.
Oh yeah. Morning guys! I am currently just waiting to get picked up by one of my friends. We are going out for lunch. I'm excited for some yummy food because I am so hungry. Oh my gosh, it's so messy.
So messy, so manly, so messy. It's great. Hey.
Hello. Guys, so we have just been into Woolies, got some snacks. So we have our drinks. Karen got donuts.
Yeah, but wait up. I can't reach them.
Well, there's.
But soon we're going to Killen Falls. It should be nice. The weather's nice today, so it'll be a fun time. Hopefully there won't be too many people there because this camera is out and this is going to be great.
He gets camera shy, but I have no shame. I just pull it out and film everything he does.
Sounds like you'd be a good dude.
I'm like the Instagram husband. Hey guys, we just got to Killen Falls. You're like, oh my god.
Exciting.
Yeah. So we just got to the lookout, didn't we, Karen? So we went to the lookout and then I was just following where Karen was going.
Fucking lie.
Thinking that we were gonna actually go down to the waterfall. But
Which was the opposite direction she walked.
But he walked out to the car park. So your map skills are terrible.
This is a lie.
You know what? Fun fact about Karen, he's directionally challenged. Turn around and show me. I put my bag on him so I could walk and get filmed. So I am now home. I have just got changed into some active wear because I'm going to go do a sunset walk at the Byron lighthouse, which I'm so excited for. So the top that I'm wearing is from Do You Even, and then these are from Ekta as well. Along, so come in Byron lighthouse, walk with me. So we are in Byron. Wave to the vlog. Hey guys, so I am now home. I've just been filming some swatching videos, so you guys will see that live on my YouTube hopefully soon. But thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If there's any kind of content that you would like to see from me, do let me know. You can message me over on my Instagram, which is over here. But I hope you guys have the best day ever. And yeah, bye! Thanks for hanging out with me.